In this session, we learn about if statements in Python. For that, what we do is we define a variable called number equal to 2. In the next line, we can say whether number is greater than 1, print so and so. If number is greater than less than 1, print so and so. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, if number is greater than 1 semicolon, in the next line you can see that I have given a tab here. You need to give a tab in the statements. Print, we say F is for format and quotes. In that quotes we can write any string, so we say we'll give another curly brackets. In that we can put this number here so that the number comes in there, number variable. So number is, because it's greater than 1, so our number is 2. 2 is more than 1, so number is greater than 1. So let us run this code and see what will it print. It says, so it will print this. It printed 2 is greater than 1. Right? Clear? Then what if in the next statement, what if we give less than 1, for example, else, print else. Okay, print, we can copy the same and paste it here. Copy this, Control C, and then Control V. Number is, we say less than 1. And let's run and see what will happen. It still says 2 is greater than 1 because our number is 2, and we say the condition is number is greater than 1, print this one. So else we don't have anything, then it will print, it doesn't print this. For example, we change the number to 0 and run this code and see what will happen. So it says 0 is less than 1, so it's printed this because it checks this condition, number, if number is greater than 1 or not, number is less than 1. So it won't print this, and it will come to else, then it will print number is less than 1. Okay. In this scenario, what if the number is 0? So for that, what we need to do is we put else if in here, else if or elif, else if or elif. You can see from here it's automatically told me to give elif, and then elif number equals to, here we put equals to like this, 00 equals to 0, and then what we have to do, we have to give semicolon. If number equals to 0 for me, then I say, I give me Control C, here Control V, print is 0. We say if the number is 0, we want to print number is 0, and we have given number is 0. Let us run and see what will happen. 0 is 0, so the number is 0, so it will check this condition. If number is greater than 1, no. Else then it will check if number is 0, yes, it is number is 0, then it prints that number in, that means 0 is 0. Okay, you understand? This is if statements. Thank you.